Sing loudly.
All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents and teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thought of the day is brought to you by G. Lahari Reddy from Grade III. A child without education is like a bird without wings. I repeat my thought. A child without education is like a bird without wings. That's the end of the thought. Thank you. Have a colorful day. Today word of the day is brought to you by Mahesh of Grade III. Word education. It's a noun meaning learning sentence. Savitri by G gave education to girls. Please spell after me. ED UC AD ION. Education. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Arathya of Grade III. International news. 10 people celebrated New Year in space. Advance for the first time in history. National news. West Bengal to impose total lockdown. That's the end of international and national news. My friend will continue state and sport news. Thank you. Have a great year ahead. State and sport news is brought to you by Rahul from Grade III. State news. Telangana government extend banned rallies mass gathering till January 10. Sport news. Chandu wins gold in Nepal. Thanks KTR for supporting. That's the end of state and sport news. My friend will continue by weather report. Thank you. Have a joyful day. Everyone, today's weather report is brought to you by Vishwa from Grade III. Weather report. 22 degrees Celsius, mostly dry. Thank you. Have a delightful day. Thank you. My name is Resta. I would like to give an article on Savitri Bai Phule Ji. Savitri Bai Phule Ji was an Indian social reformer, educationist and poet. She was born on 3rd January 1831 in the village of Nayagon Chatra. In 1840, she was married to 13-year-old Jyotirai Phule Ji. In the 18th century, women were not allowed to take education. Savitri Bai Ji became the first teacher to teach in girls' school. The further information will be continued by my friend. Thank you. Today I am going to give some information of Savitribai Phule Ji. Savitribai Phule Ji is recalled as the first female teacher of India. To stop Savitribai Phule Ji, people throw dirt and stones on them and create obstacles in the path. Also, along with her husband, she played a